Hello! So for today, ang ituturo ko naman ay kung paano gumawa ng single crochet. So first, we have our chain stitch. And then, i-insert po natin siya sa second chain from the last chain. Okay? From your hook. Okay? So insert sa second chain from the last chain. So insert, yarn over, pull through. Now, you have 2 loops on your hook. Okay, so yarn over, then pull through your 2 loops. Alright? Now, you're going to insert on the next chain. Okay, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through your 2 loops. Then insert again. Then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so you keep doing that until up to your first chain. So this one I prepared 15 chain stitches. Okay? Insert, yarn over. Ayun, ganun lang po ang gawin natin hanggang sa maubos yung chain. So that is your single crochet. Your single crochet is abbreviated as SC. So pag may nakikita kang SC sa mga nagcrochet, that means single crochet. In here nga pala, ang ginamit ko ay na crochet hook ay size 3.5 millimeters. So yan po, yellow ang kulay niya. So, ayan, natapos na po natin yung ating single crochet. We're going to snip it. Ayan na po. Yan po ang single crochet. Okay? Thank you for watching.